Hey everyone, welcome to Ittwist. My name is Gaurav. In this video, we will learn how the Python code works under the hood. Basically, I have created a cool animation to depict that. After that, we will learn some of the basic things in Python IDLE, which is Python Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Lately, we will move on to Visual Studio Code for creating a first Python program. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below and get notified about new technologies and programming updates. Let's get started. Before looking into how Python code works, let's see one concept. We all know computer is an electronic machine understand only two things, that is 0 and 1. If we work with any programming language, we made a source code which will be translated into machine code consisting of zeros and 1. Now let's see how Python code actually works. So we have our source code written in Python. When we run our Python program, it will go to syntax checker and translator, which will check the syntax and internally compiles our Python source code to something called bytecode. The bytecode is a code which makes Python execution platform independent. Then this bytecode is fed to Python virtual machine, which will check the errors and exceptions and load the libraries and generate our running program. If you see on the screen, this whole component is an implementation of Python interpreter. I hope you got enough understanding how Python code works. If you are still confused, not an issue. At the end of the video, you will get fair understanding. Let's look at the Python integrated development and learning environment. I'm in my Windows machine. Let's go to the start menu and search for this IDLE. As my IDLE is right now opened, so let me show it to you how to create a basic calculator with Python. As we are dealing with the numeric values in creating a simple calculator in Python, so let's see some of the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and much more. So let's get started. Let's start by addition. So 5 plus 6 you will get 11, and then we will go with the multiplication. So 7 multiplied by 2 we will get 14, and after that we will see subtraction as well. 9 minus 2, which is 7, and then we can see something like 5 plus 6 multiplied by 3, so we will get first 18, then we will add 5, so which is 23. So what if we need to process this addition first and then multiplication? We can use of the brackets. So 5 plus 6, and then we can multiply by 3, which is 33, and after that let's see division as well. So for example, 4 divided by 2, you will get an output of 2.0. So see the difference. Here we got some decimal values, which is 2.0. In Python, there are three types of numeric data type. First is integer data type, and second one is the float data type, and third one is the complex number data type. I will not cover complex data type right now because it will create a confusion for you. So what if I want this particular division to be happen and return the output as a integer value? So we will leverage something called floor division. So floor division is for this two slashes and then 2, you will get an integer output. So whenever, for example, 4 divided by 3, so which is basically a floor division, so it will give you the output of 1 instead of value of 1.33. Now let's see some power computations, like for example I need 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 5. How can we do that? One way is to do like 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so it is basically 2 the power 3, so it will give you answer of 8. What if I need to do this particular power computation, for example 2 raised to power 200? So it is not realistic, right, to write 200 times. So we can use this operator, which is 2 multiplication sign. So basically it is 2 raised to power, and we want to do 200. It will give you huge amount of number. Cool. Now we have interacted with numeric values, let's interact with the string values. So string is collection of characters. So what if I write Ittwist as is, it will result in an error. Let's resolve this error now. Strings are always enclosed in a single quotes or double quotes. So in order to resolve it, so we can write Ittwist in a single quotes, or we can leverage something. Let me go little down. So here with the double quotes I can write Gaurav. You will see my name here, and moreover we can do some of the operations with strings also. For example, I want to say please don't forget to subscribe Ittwist. You will see one error. Why? Because this particular single quotes will not get recognized when we are using single quotes here. So when I will hit enter, you will see this invalid syntax. Why? Because we are also using this single quotes outside also, and we are also using this single quotes inside. So we can't do that. To solve this particular thing, we can either use this particular double quotes and we can write please don't forget to subscribe Ittwist, and you will get the answer. Otherwise, you can do also this thing. Let me copy this scenario. So let me go here and copy, and let me paste it over here, and then we can also use this escape characters. So you will see the output like this. If we want to print anything, we can print it by like this. So print Ittwist. It will display the thing as it is on the screen. We have seen one escape character like this one, and now we will see one another escape character, a new line escape characters, which is like print. For example, I want to display hello world and world on the next line. So I will do /n. So it will display hello in the first line and world in the second line. I think so that is enough for this IDLE. So let's move to Visual Studio Code and create our first program. I'm in my Visual Studio Code right now. So let's go to this file pane and just click on new file and save this file as a name of abc.py as of now, and it will ask you for this Python extension is recommended for this type of file, so you need to click on install. So it will basically install this particular extension on your Visual Studio Code. After that, it will automatically detect your Python interpreter path. So now I'm writing this print hello world, and I save this particular file and click on run start debugging and Python file, and now you will see the output as hello world over the screen. So we have created our first program. So that's enough for today. In the next video we will learn something about variables, data types, and making decisions. This video was completely for beginners. In the next video we will jump to a next level, and I will also provide a hands-on assignment. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.